Hello everyone, my name is Gustavo Cirino. I'm a Brazilian hairstylist and I was invited by Brae USA to talk about some of their product lines. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you guys the Divine collection. If you're looking for a prolonged and absolute no frizz hair effect, the Divine line is exactly what you need. The Divine Absolutely Smooth shampoo and conditioner formulas include coconut oil, panthenol, and natural extracts specially selected to shield the hair against humidity and frizz, resulting in silkier and healthier hair. Divine Liquid Keratin Hair Mask. Get a deep hydration in just 5 minutes. The new Divine Liquid Keratin Hair Mask has ultra-concentrated technology and a blend of noble oils such as coconut, avocado, and jojoba. This gives the perfect nutrition for silky, shining, and frizz-free hair without weighing it down. How to use it? Shake it well before using it. Spray it on clean and wet hair, enveloping strand by strand, and leave it on from not more than 5 minutes and rinse. Divine Deep Cosmetics Hair Care Mask. The Divine Anti-Frizz Mask also has ultra-concentrated technology and a blend of noble oils. Coconut oil offers complete moisture, giving balance to damaged hair. Jojoba oil, with emollient and moisturizing properties, regulates oiliness and restores the hair. Avocado oil is highly hydrating and is loaded with fatty acids that protect the scalp, giving a soft touch and shine to the hair. How to use it? Apply the mask strand by strand to clean and damp hair, starting at the ends. Gently massage until it reaches the roots and let it stand from 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse and finish as desired. My pro tip: enhance the shine in your hair by adding a few drops of Divine Serum Plume Sensation to the mask before applying it on the hair. Divine Leave-In 10-in-1. The new Divine Leave-In 10-in-1 uniquely combines 10 repair powers and instant protection for strands. It provides shine, hydration, softness, anti-breakage action, thermal protection, light styling, UV protection, anti-frizz action, suppleness, and strength to the hair. Apply Divine Leave-In 10-in-1 directly to damp hair. Start at the ends and gently go up, avoiding the roots. There is no need to rinse. Finish as you wish. My pro tip: the Divine Leave-In 10-in-1 works best for thick and dry hair and can be used on a regular basis. And for those who are going to the beach, it's a perfect product to be used before and after entering the sea to protect the hair. So guys, those were my product tips for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to check out the previous ones. See you soon and bye bye!